All right, so let's talk about the value of what you're selling. Now, in order for you to become the best salesperson that you can be, it's really important that you understand the value of what you're selling because your product or service may be extremely valuable to one individual, but it may be less valuable to another. So that's where understanding your prospects' pain points, their situation, their problem, right, is going to help you get a better understanding of just how valuable your services are going to be, right? Now, let me give you an example with marketing services. Now, you know that businesses are coming to you or that you're talking to businesses that want to use marketing services. They want to grow their business, right? But that's just kind of the top layer of what they're really looking for. Because ultimately, if they're looking for more leads, more sales, marketing services, they're really looking for something else. And let me give you an example of that. So somebody's looking for leads and sales. Well, they really could be looking for more leads and sales because they want to grow their business, because they want to sell it in 3 to 5 years. And the reason why they want to sell it in 3 to 5 years is because they want to spend more time with their family. So your ability to really understand that value that your product or service has to your prospect is key here, because then you can convey that, right? Because one of the questions that I ask to a prospect is, okay, so, why are you actually on this call with me here today? Why now? What made you decide to schedule the call with me at this point in your business? And a lot of times, like I mentioned, people will say, hey, I'm looking for more leads. I'm looking for, more sales. Okay, great. And then I ask them, okay, well, so what specifically is important to you about generating more leads and sales? What's that going to do for you, right? So they tell me, well, I'm going to be able to grow my business so that I can sell it in 3 to 4 years or 2 to 3 years. Okay, great. Completely understand. So then with selling your business here in the next 2 to 3 years and being able to sell it at a price point that you know is going to be significantly higher than what you paid for it or what you're currently earning, what is that going to ultimately do for you? And that's where you're going to get the core of what they're really wanting, which is spending more time with their family, their grandchildren, whatever that may be, right? And so when you're able to fully understand the value of what you're selling and what it means to your prospect to be able to get that particular solution, that outcome, then it's your moral obligation, right, to sell your prospect on your product or service, but do it in an ethical manner where you're not trying to jam it down their throat, right? You completely believe that your product is going to solve their problem and help them get that desired outcome. So that's going to be it here for this video, and we'll see you on the next one.